Welcome to 5-Minute Math. Here we're going to talk about the signed numbers, adding and subtracting negative and positive numbers. And the way to visualize it is to think of it as directions, like traveling from streets to streets, stuff like that. So the first part of the number, let's in this case the 1, tells us where to begin. We begin by the 1. The second part, the sign over here, positive, plus, means we're going to go to the right. Plus means right. And the 4 will tell us how far to go. So 1, start with 1 to the right, so we go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end up with 5. So 1 plus 4 equals 5. When there's no sign, it's understood to be positive or plus. Like here would be like an imaginary plus. Okay, so that's good. Let's try this one here. We start with 4, which is plus 4. And then this minus tells us that we're going to the left. So we have a left arrow here. And we go 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's negative 1. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1. It's over here. See, visualizing it helps a lot. If you know what you're doing, you have a picture in your mind. So here we start with a 3. Positive 3, and we move left, because there's a minus here is left, and we go 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's negative 1. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Here's another example. We start with 0. 0 is not positive or negative, it's just right in the center. So we start with 0. The minus tells us we're going to the left, so we have the left, and we go 5 spaces. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Try another one. Positive 6, start with a 6, and we have a negative. That means we're going to go to the left. I'm going to go 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Negative 3. So 6 minus 9 is negative 3. Let's try one more. Negative 5. Start with negative 5. We do plus, means we're going to the right. And we do 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 3. Negative 5 plus 8 is 3. And now we have 4 minus 4. Start with a plus 4. Negative means move to the left. And go 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 plus 3. Same thing, we start with a 0, we go to the right because it's a positive, and we go 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. This just helps to visualize it and to be able to have a picture which way you're doing. If you start with a negative or start with a positive, if the middle is a plus or a minus. Now, also it's understood that if let's erase some of these things here. If you have, let's say, negative 5, and you do plus 8, you know right away that 5 spaces will be at 0, because 5 minus 5 is 0. So you can really just jump over to here and say it's 5 already. Now you just do 6, 7, 8. You don't have to count it all out, because you know when you do start with negative 5, you know that 5 to the right will be 0. Any numbers like that. If you start with 6, then let's say 6 minus 8, you know 0 will be 6. That's automatic, because 6 minus 6 equals 0. Thank you for being the best part of 5-Minute Math, and like and subscribe to get more videos.